Hello students, in our previous classes we have read about family, then our body, and now we are going to study chapter 3. Before starting this chapter, I will ask you a question. What do we need to cover our body? What do we need to cover our body? Yes, you're right. Clothes. We need clothes to cover our body. And in this chapter, the name of this chapter is Clothes We Wear. Clothes we wear. And we are going to talk about, in this chapter we are going to learn about the different materials that clothes are made of, match different clothes with the various seasons, understand and identify traditional dresses and uniforms. You have already read about this clothes chapter in your previous classes. Therefore, before starting this chapter, we will have a warm-up session. Look at these pictures. First, look at this question number 1. Circle the odd one out in each row. Talk about it. This question is saying, look at these girls. She is wearing salwar, kurta, dupatta. She is wearing uniform, school uniform, shirt, skirt, tie. And she is wearing a sari. Which one is odd? Can you tell me? This is odd. In the second picture, a boy with a space suit. Second, a boy with jeans and t-shirt. Second boy with his school uniform. Maybe it's then tell me which one is odd. Shirt, pant, jeans and trousers. Sorry, t-shirt and jeans, or this. Yes, this space suit is odd. Why these are odd? Because these are traditional clothes and this is a uniform. Here, these are daily use clothes. We use it daily, but rarely, maybe someone who uses a spacesuit, the one who goes to space. Some people go there, yes, who study a lot, who are scientists or who want to go to space, they wear this. Now let's start. First thing, before starting this chapter, I want to ask, why do we need clothes? In the very start of this chapter, I have told you why do we need clothes. We need clothes to cover our body. Second, clothes are needed to make us safe from heat, warm, rain, cold, yes, and insects also. They make us safe from insects, mosquitoes, flies, when we go out play. Here one interesting thing has been given in your book. Did you know Mahatma Gandhi wove his own cloth on a small hand machine called charkha? And he called this cloth khadi. The cloth which is made by Mahatma Gandhi in a small hand machine called charkha is known as khadi. Okay, we will start the chapters. Different types of clothes. You know that we need clothes, but we cannot wear the same kind of clothes at all times. We wear clothes based on the weather and the occasions. Can we wear the same cloth everywhere? No, we can't wear the same cloth everywhere. We wear different clothes during different times of the year. This is summer season. In summer season, what do we wear? First, we will complete this chapter and then I will ask you some questions, and we will again and again we will have this topic clear. This topic will be clear after reading this chapter. Okay. The first topic is the summer season. In the summer season, we wear clothes that are light and keep us cool. Clothes made of cotton and linen keep us cool. Linen is a kind of fine cotton. We get cotton from the cotton plant. We get cotton from the cotton plant. Cotton is spun to make thread, and this thread is used to make clothes. Our clothes protect us from the heat in this season. In summer season, it's very hot and we need light clothes. Clothes made of cotton and linen keep us cool. Look at this. Cotton. We get cotton from cotton plant, and we get cotton ball, and cotton ball is spun and it's made thread, and this thread is used to make cloth, and through that clothes we get this clothes: frock, jeans, t-shirts, shirts. Yes. Second season is rainy season. During the rainy season, the umbrella and raincoat became our good friends. They protect us from getting wet. People wear gumboots and raincoats when they go out in the rains. These are made of rubber and plastic. Look at this. A picture has been given here. What is this girl doing? She is protecting herself and the dog from the rain. She is using an umbrella, raincoat. She is having an umbrella, raincoat and gumboots. In rainy season, umbrella, raincoats, gumboots save us from rain. These are made up of rubber and plastic. In your book here it has been asked, name the 3 types of silks found in India. Okay, I will tell you this. First, Mulberry silk. Second, Tussar silk. Third, Spider silk. There are some more, Eri silk and Muga silk. There are more types, but here it has been asked only 3. Therefore, I am saying Mulberry, second Tussar, third Spider. We get cotton from cotton plant. Raincoats are made up of rubber and plastic. And now the third topic is winter season. The winter season is extremely cold. Therefore, we wear clothes that keep us warm. It's very cold in winter, and therefore we need woolen clothes to keep us warm. Clothes made of wool and silk keep us warm. We have a variety of woolens to choose from: coats, sweaters, pullovers, scarves, mufflers, caps, gloves, and socks keep us warm in the winter season. Sheep hair is spun into wool. Yak hair is also spun to make wool. This woolen thread is knitted to make clothes. You have seen your mother knitting a sweater for yourself, for you. Have you seen it? Have you seen your mother? I have seen my mama. Nowadays we buy it from market. Look at this. This girl is shivering from cold and she is wearing a cap, muffler, overcoats, gloves, shoes. Yes. And silk. The topic was silk. From where do we get the silk? Silk comes to us from silkworms. We get cotton from cotton plant. We get wool from sheep hair. And we get silk from silkworms. The silkworm gives a kind of thread from its mouth which is used to make silk cloth.